Blessings peeps. So today's video is a surprise vlog. I'm not gonna tell you guys where I'm going, but trust me, you're not gonna love it. But as they change some fuse, yeah, I'm just get them on a wait on the mechanic in the barber shop. I'm a trim. And then we are gonna leave out. So yeah. If you all have any ideas where we're going, type it in the comment section below. Otherwise, watch the intro, guys.
I do not have a crazy story to tell, like I dropped out of college or I quit my job and traveled the world. I am just a normal person with passions I am willing to pursue. Follow me on my journey as I show you what I accomplish. I am Alex and this is Elite Jamaica.
I'm on my own, broken and alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare.
Yeah, peeps are the mechanic this. Man, you have one of the baddest flat in a St. Thomas still. Yeah, I'm going to show you it. I don't know if you want to give it 2 turns still, but easy man. Yeah. So that have one. Change over that then. What school you go? I know the school online too? Yeah. Alright, so the school provide like laptop and everything and tablet and everything that you have to buy?
School provide.
Okay, everybody have?
No.
You go different school?
No, I'm going to go the same school, but alright, the problem with me have right now, them say we do a survey thing. I don't know, I'm not see which part. The survey benefit towards we when I have internet access. We have to put up data every day, because the data we have to put up on my phone to do my school. And more, that not help, because more while I hold it for class minutes. No,
yeah, I hold it for
assignment we are get, because I do CXC, you know, and I don't see which part. If they don't back school, I know if they are facts, and I don't go pass.
True. I understand. So how comes you get and him not get?
No, that's me getting I've heard.
Okay, Trace so, the school provide?
Yeah, the school provide because they have a competition, right? 5 paragraph essay about the school. Okay. And winners then get the company.
Oh, I understand.
But the provision now, everybody else who couldn't enter the competition now, it's a different situation. I don't know.
Okay, I understand. That's how I feel that stuff. We have a charity will come up, supposed in January. We have to provide some laptop and some computer. I don't know if you see that on the channel still, is it? Yeah. So, soon start take down name and thing. I come in at the school and get money for, is it? Yeah. So, big up on yourself. You know, I cut off the top of that. Yeah, man, bless.
I'll follow me on YouTube. Subscribe to the YouTube channel.
Yeah, where your YouTube channel name?
Nation One Records.
Nation One Records?
Yeah.
Alright. Yeah, man, big up. Peeps, subscribe to the YouTube channel. Yeah, peeps. Still no. Really figure it out yet. But getting there, the rain will come back down.
I'm on my own, broken and alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Just stare, 'cause the flames will burn us.
Yeah, peeps, so this is one. When I put it on bright, I'm gonna have a park light. When we get on dim the park light, then no, I have to go down there after that because we accidentally break the whatever. Different bugs. It's not as bad enough to them down. So you will never do that. But so far, we're happening. We're trying to start out something easy on this vlog. Peeps, so still at the same location. Now we get the park light them to work. The fog light them to work. The park light them not work. I'm turning on the park light, I have no light at all. So I'm go up and we can put the light on bright. You only have one headlight. The only time the light them work good I want it up on dim. So that way I try to get started out. Right now it's on dim, but just one of the headlights I work when it's up on dim now. I go for a lot of bulbs because I need have bulbs, so I go for them. Bulb them good. We change the fuse them, so I try to figure it out. And yeah, I still want to go part me go. So bear with me, alright? Yep, peeps, so back at it again.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I like
Bright. Them. The rain will come down and water upon the road. Oh, you just have to connect back them wire and make it come out when it's dim. The one where you disconnect, you just have to connect back that. Dim. Mm-hmm. Peeps, so we finally find one solution. The headlight them off the on bright for all of the light them come on. We go up on dim just one headlight, no fog light. No park light. So I just have to drive on bright. I'm not drive. Alright guys, so yeah. Soon ready now. Bless. Yeah peeps, right now I'm going to show one of the bad machine.
full of clock. And I bonnet clock there.
The bonnet clock there. Real. Peeps, I see that. Gauge is all about. So it's real. You see that peeps. So tell me a little about the car now. And the setup process we go through. You do everything one time or is a gradual?
I got the right thing, man. Look, huh?
Okay, okay.
Look.
Yeah, man. So switch it on up here now. Yeah peeps, and Bluetooth a bad mechanic also. Yeah? Probably mount the bonus area. Proper interior to peeps. Fly the back door.
Okay.
Fly the back door. soundboxing there. Yeah, peeps. You know the regular Jamaican things. Most time a soundbox up on the box seat. Yeah, peeps. Bad Toyota Corolla. Bad flat shape. Type what you all think in the comment section below. Alright? Bad machine. And built by Moffat. They built from scratch now.
Yeah.
Alright.
From Brum.
What kind of engine that? What name of the engine?
20 ball.
20 ball.
Export and polish. Black 4.
I don't even know about them something.
Yeah, but the export and polish and the black 4.
Export and polish and the black board.
Yeah, man.
Okay.
And the jam them port and polish.
The jam them port and polish. You hear that, kid? I notice they have a brace like that. Cross brace. What is one? Brace. What that's one?
4, let's go.
Like you have to push a lot of force, so you have to reel it.
Yo. Anda.
Yeah, peeps, I saw the thing said, man.
Yeah, turn.
Yeah.
Yeah, look at John. Yes, sir, Baba. Yeah, what we do, I'm going to do this, man. I'm going to pass, sir. Yeah, you can look for. You can look for a bus, you go there. I'm going
Yeah. Peeps, and I see that? Power. Yeah, man. Cash money, the barber.
up top.
All that work from morning.
True.
Bad. Real bad. True. Yeah, man, don't trust the bad mechanic, bad technician, bad electrician type. Don't trust not comment things. Yeah, I'm just sort of like that. Blessings, peeps. So the surprise location was the copper hole, but as you all saw, the rain stopped me from doing that. If you all want to see that video, type copper hole in the comment section below. I just want to take this time out to congratulate Jaydan of Jamaica Yard Life 101 on achieving his 1,000 subscriber milestone. Alright, y'all stay blessed. Big up.